If you're considering to make your home smart, you have to consider the Lutron Caseta Wireless when it comes to lighting and home automation. It is absolutely the best product that I can recommend to you, and I'm going to explain all my favorite features about it, starting with number one, which is it works with everybody, meaning it works with Google, it works with Amazon, and it works with your friend Siri. So whatever service you're using, whatever thing that your home or your family prefers, it's going to work with it. And that's huge because not every solution does that. And that's why I always recommend products like this. You're going to see it be a trend for other videos where I recommend stuff for the home where it works with everything, because I feel like that's very important both for you, and if you ever resell your home, of course, it's going to be valuable for whoever buys it next, and would also increase your property value. Number two, and this is another thing that is really compelling and makes me consider Lutron over other people who also have a great product that works with all these different services as well, is this is a great solution on scale, meaning no matter how large your house is or your business is that you're building or you're installing these in, it's going to work great for a large number of devices, and it looks nice. And let's say you're going for a certain aesthetic in your home or business, you can actually order custom colors, which is fantastic, as opposed to other solutions where you're kind of stuck with the one product that they have in the one color that they offer. So yes, it's a great option for scale. And this is another very important thing that you need to know about this product, is it comes with a remote for every switch that you buy, which a lot of people might say, well, I don't want to pay extra for a switch, but it's really nice to have all these switches laying around. I actually have several laying around my office, and these are great, and I kind of keep them. I use the automation and the voice control most of the time, but every once in a while I might just want to tap on it and it's sitting on my desk. It's great. But one way this can save you money is if you're building a home or a business, you could actually save some building and labor cost by installing these remotes in tandem with the actual interrupter, the switch that you're using. So in some configurations of your wiring, you may have a 2 or 3 way where you're having switches and interrupters in different parts of the house to control one room in 2 different areas, which is, required by code. A stairway has to have a switch at the bottom and a switch at the top. So you could have an interrupter at the bottom and then a remote at the top, and you get through your code and your inspection and you save some money in the process. So that's something that's also very valuable. And then the last thing about this whole it being great for scale is it's super easy to control and configure and program these switches all inside of their app, which is very nice, and you can easily add several at one time. It's probably the best experience when it comes to adding many devices at one time. So this is the best solution if you're going big in your home. And the third and final reason that I would recommend this to you over everything else on the market is it has a great feature set and it's just very dependable. I've been using these products for years, installed them for years, and they have a great wide lineup. You can get one with just a dimmer, you can get a simple on-off switch. They program and work just the same. I really enjoy having all the extra remotes, and I'm just telling you, it's the best thing that you can use. I've used it all, it's the best. But when it comes to every product, it does have some shortcomings, and I'm going to tell you those as well, because it could be a deal breaker for you. The app, although it's great for programming a lot of switches in bulk, it is not the most eloquent looking user experience that I am accustomed to with a lot of the other apps that I use. Although it isn't the prettiest, it does get the job done. So I will mention that. And once you're all set up, you're going to use your Google Home or you're going to use your Siri and your Home app. So once you're set up, you don't even have to worry about going back to that app. I do keep it installed just in case I want to add more things in the future or change some of the things programmatically. But overall, it's one plug and play and done with that app, and I'm glad that it is, because it's not the prettiest. And another thing that is a little bit annoying about this solution is you have to have a bridge which acts as the hub for all these different devices, which is understandable when you're working on this large scale project, right? In theory. But you have to wire it in over Ethernet. So wherever it is, it's going to take up a port on your router, or you may have to buy some expansion for your network to get that hooked in. But overall, it's not a big deal. I will give an honorable mention to one other company. If you're considering spending your money elsewhere, check out iDevices. iDevices makes great products, smart products for your home or business, and they make a simple switch and a dimmer switch that requires no bridge, no hub, which is super nice. But it does come in at a higher cost than the Lutron Cassettes, because you can get a Lutron Cassette between $40 and $50 on the internet. This thing is, above 50 all the time, although they are always running deals. Be looking for the deals. The one thing that's nice about it is, of course, no bridge, no hub. And if you're only wanting one smart switch in your home, maybe that's the better solution for you, because it's one thing, no bridge that you have to worry about, and then you're done. I could recommend either one. I've used both. I prefer the Lutron stuff. But overall, I hope you found this video to be super valuable. If you're gonna make your home smarter and want some consultation or some help, I would love to help you. It is absolutely so much fun for me because I'm a nerd. But guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you liked the video, make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna be breaking down more products like this, and grab that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.